At this time, we're going to be working on Toyota Tacoma. This is 2021 Toyota Tacoma. If you guys been following my channel, you know very much about this Tacoma. So in today's video, it's that time where we're going to have to replace the air filter, engine air filter, as well as on the next video we're going to do the cabin air filter. So let's start with engine air filter. So this has got a TRD intake kit. So for that, we're gonna have to release this, but the latch here, right, as such. Do the same thing on the other side, and then this should slowly just pull it that way. There you go, until it releases those tabs here, right? So you got two tabs on each side that go inside these loops. And here's the filter itself. So let's remove this guy out. And since this is a TRD, this is reusable, as a matter of fact. So yeah, it's got some dirt in it, so it's time to replace this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually clean this guy up and then save it for next time when I have to replace it. Until then, I'm gonna use this guy. So this one's already all cleaned out. I washed it last time, so this one is all oiled up and clean, ready to go. Unlike this one, I don't know if you can tell, but there you go. So this is the clean guy. And for that, we're gonna lift this one up again. So it's really hard to mess it up. It just goes one way, so this thicker side is gonna be facing up, and then as it slings down, tapered side is gonna face down. So lift this one up, make sure there's no dirt or any debris inside that housing. Also make sure that there's nothing in there. You can just place this one back in there. And keep in mind, procedure is the same whether you have a TRD intake kit or not. The way you have to, the way you actually replace the filter is going to be very identical, one way or another. So, and then make sure when you put in it back, make sure those tabs go all the way in. So it would be nice to hold these side. There you go. There you go. Can we get on the other side to see? So, and then lock these latches in place. Boom, voila. As you can see, it's a very straightforward, simple to do process. The filters themselves, yeah, I mean, I got a TRD reusable filter which costs a little bit more, but if you just get a traditional, disposable, like one-time use filter, those things normally cost somewhere around 20 bucks. And with like 10-15 minutes of your time at most, you can just replace it and save yourselves quite a bit of money. So anyway, this was the purpose of this video essentially. I hope you guys find this helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up, leave your comments, questions down below. And by the way, I will place a link for replacement filter. Order one for yourself, so you can actually go ahead and use the link. To make sure that we did everything correctly, that it's not spitting out any error messages, we're gonna want to start the engine and see if we have any lights come on the dashboard. Go ahead. All good. All right, so we're looking good. As you can see, it was a straightforward process. And no issues. So yeah, like 10-15 minutes of your time and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Goodbye.